From the prehistoric period, the medicinal practices and applications were applied in Philippine society even before the Spaniards colonized our islands. Medicinal herbs have been discovered and used by the indigenous medical practitioners and healers called babaylan, albularyo, or shamans. Some of them were still existing despite the changing generation. However, due to the expansion of urban areas, many of them wanted to stay in secluded and quiet areas. Despite of being kept in the private areas, they have the ability to be knowledgeable with other medical systems and practices such as midwifery, pulse diagnosis, bone setting, suction cupping therapy, skin scraping, herbal steam, and smoke energy medicine, and other forms of metaphysical healing. Hilot is the most famous traditional medical practice that is still used even with the local healer here in Sorsogon. This technique is mainly a massage that can treat the neck and back pain, headaches, muscle pains, and sprains. Herbal medicine. Medicinal plants were handled by albularyo to heal people. There are 10 medicinal plants known in the Philippines for its effective uses. 10 medicinal plants in the Philippines. Acapulco, which was also known as bayabas, and ringworm bush in English, this herbal medicine is used to treat ringworms and skin fungal infections. Ampalaya is most known as a treatment of diabetes for the non-insulin dependent patients. Bawang mainly reduces cholesterol in the blood and hence helps control blood pressure. Bayabas is primarily used as an antiseptic to disinfect wounds. Also, it can be used as a mouthwash to treat tooth decay and gum infection. Lagundi is mainly utilized for the relief of coughs and asthma. Nyog-nyogan is effective in the elimination of intestinal worms. Sambong helps in the excretion of urinary stones. It can also be used as an edema. Chaang gubat. Prepared like tea, this herbal medicine is useful in treating intestinal motility and also used as a mouthwash since the leaves of this shrub has high fluoride content. Ulasimang bato or pansit-pansitan is helpful in fighting arthritis and gout. Yerba buena is commonly known as peppermint. This vine is used as an analgesic to relieve body aches and pain. It can be taken internally as a decoction or externally by pounding the leaves and apply directly on the afflicted area. In conclusion, indigenous knowledge and practices were passed down from generation to generation until the urban people take grasp of it and applied this in their daily living. Doctors and medical staff nowadays were not the leading healer in the early centuries. The indigenous albularyo and shamans were capable of sealing and preserving their tradition and techniques to be passed on to our current era. We cannot erase these practices and became part of our identity and culture. The system and tradition started by the indigenous and local people must not be considered as simple and small things since this knowledge are truly effective and can be a great help to the community.